rumors against swirled on social media that the charter change initiative in Congress is a bid to extend the terms of officials, including that of President Duterte. How will the palace address this?
Wala pong katuturan niyang mga chismis na yan. Chismis lang po yan. The President has made it clear, wala po siyang kahit anong kagustuhan na manatili ng isang minuto man lang beyond his term of office on June 30 of 2022.
Second question po niya also is pushing for charter change necessary at this point with only 17 months before the next elections and the country facing the COVID-19 crisis.
That is the sole constitutional prerogative of Congress, and we respect that.
Speaker Alan Velasco reportedly instructed the House Constitutional Amendments Panel to restart talks on charter change or CHACHA. May basbas po ba ito ng Pangulo? Will the President support CHACHA in the remaining months of his term?
Alam niyo po, hindi naman kinakailangan bigyan ng basbas ng Presidente yan. Yan naman po ay katungkulan talaga ng Kongreso. Tanging Kongreso lang po ang pwede magsimula ng proseso para sa charter change, hindi po ang Presidente. So, rinirespeto po natin yan at sa ngayon po, ang number one priority natin ang COVID-19, lalong-lalo na ang usaping vaccine. So, wala pong ibang top priority ang Pangulo kung hindi matapos po itong pandemyang ito sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng bakuna sa ating mga kababayan.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.